Carlos Jose Rizal's quotes of all time. The youth is the hope of our future. He who does not know how to look back at where he came from will never get to his destination. He who does not know how to love his own language is worse than an animal who smells fish. One only dies once, and if one doesn't die away, a good opportunity is lost, and will not present itself again. I do not write for this generation. I am writing for other ages. If this could read me, they would burn my books, the work of my whole life. On the other hand, the generation that's interpreting my writings would be an educated generation and will understand me and say, we aren't asleep in the nighttime of our grandparents. There could be no tyrants when there are no slaves. While a people preserves its language, it preserves the marks of liberty. My mother is not a woman of ordinary culture. She knows literature and speaks Spanish better than I do. She even corrected my poems and gave me advice when I was studying rhetoric. I recited the famous quotes of Jose Rizal. My name is Eros Leander Saludar. I'm grade 5, St. Gregory, and our school name is CDSJ Colegio de San Jose. Thank you.